welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Rasam is a traditional South Indian dish and there are several varieties. Today I'm going to share a very simple yet tasty dal rasam which we are going to make with toor dal. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken half cup of toor dal and soaked it for about an hour. Transfer the soaked dal along with the soaked water to the pressure cooker. To this add 2 tomatoes chopped, 3 green chilies cut into half, a small piece of ginger finely chopped, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon rock salt and mix everything together. Pour enough water so the dal is completely immersed. Close the pressure cooker and cook this for about 4 whistles. After 4 whistles, wait for the pressure to release. Then open the pressure cooker and slightly mash the dal and keep this aside. To a small tempering pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Next, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and roast them. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, turn off the stove and add about 3 red chilies broken into half, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder and a few fresh curry leaves. Add the tempered ingredients to the dal mixture and mix it all well. For the final garnish, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon and add some chopped coriander leaves and mix it all together. Lemon will give a nice mild flavor to the rasam. There you go, here is this yummy and wholesome rasam that is ready to be served. For this recipe, it is important to soak the dal for at least an hour. If you don't have time to soak the dal, you can pressure cook the dal for an extra couple of whistles. I'm serving the rasam with some nice hot steaming rice and potato fry by the side. I really enjoy that rasam with that nice hot steaming rice. It's a perfect comfort food, I would say. I've served it with some nice potato fry, but you can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.